Good morning, guys. I'm here again, the teacher Natalia. Today we're going to learn how to express abilities about sports, something that I'm able to do. Then read, listen, and practice. Expressing abilities. Listen, read, and repeat. I can play tennis. I can do archery. I can go cycling. I can play basketball. He can do track. He can play volleyball. He can go snowboarding. He can go running. Now, expressing abilities in a negative form. I cannot play tennis or I can't play tennis. I cannot do archery or I can't do archery. I cannot go cycling or I can't go cycling. I cannot play basketball or I can't play basketball. He cannot do track. He can't do track. He cannot play volleyball. He can't play volleyball. He cannot go snowboarding. He cannot go snowboarding. He cannot go running. He can't go running. Now you are going to read the chart and then you are going to do some exercise in order to practice. First, the modal verb can, that word is used to express something that I'm able to do. For example, I can play volleyball, but I cannot play football. As you can see, when I'm using I, you, she, they, the verb play, it doesn't change. Why? Because I'm using the modal verb. As I'm using the modal verb, the other verb, the verb play, it doesn't change with she, with he, or with it. For example, like I said, I can play tennis. She can play tennis. They can play tennis. It doesn't change. In a negative form, I cannot play tennis. She cannot play tennis. We cannot play tennis. Or can't, which is the contraction. To make question, we're going to use the modal verb. Can you play tennis? Can they play tennis? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. And we are going to practice these questions. Which sport can you practice? In my case, I can practice volleyball. Now, read, complete, and practice. Remember, we can use can't in the affirmative form and in the negative, cannot or can't. I play football. She goes swimming. They play baseball. We do archery. You play golf. I go skiing. She go mountain biking. They play volleyball. We do trekking. You ice skating. When you finish, you can check if it's correct or not. Now, check out the sentence. Another thing, if you have any difficulty and you need to practice more, remember you can watch this video as many times as you need. Have fun! I see you in the next class.